Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send XDC from your Tangem wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even smoother, but we'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, XDC is a powerful network for smart contracts and DApps, and moving it between wallets lets you manage your assets like a pro. First things first, make sure you have both the Tangem Wallet and Trust Wallet apps installed on your device. Update them to the latest 2025 versions for optimal security features, like enhanced biometric authentication. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and unlock it with your PIN, Face ID, or fingerprint, whatever you've set up. Once inside, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the XDC asset from your list of holdings. You'll see your current balance right there. Step 2. Tap on the XDC asset to enter the send mode. Here, you'll need the recipient's address. Head over to your Trust Wallet, go to the XDC section, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 3. Back in Tangem Wallet, paste the address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of XDC you want to send. Don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, these might be lower thanks to network upgrades, but always confirm. Step 4. Hit the Send button and confirm the transaction. You'll get a summary screen. Take a moment to verify everything. Once you approve, the transfer should process quickly, often in under a minute on a fast network. Finally, switch to your Trust Wallet to confirm the XDC has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a refresh or check the Blockchain Explorer for the transaction status. And there you have it. That's how you send XDC from Tangem to Trust Wallet in 2025. Remember, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets when possible and keep your private keys safe. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.